So I would like to introduce to you the first subcompact, purely electric SUV in Europe, the all-new KONA Electric. This model merges the two hottest trends in the automotive industry: zero-emission mobility and SUV style. The KONA Electric has an expressive styling. It's offering generous roominess and it has a really impressive EV drivetrain. So this is a car of no compromise. The customer can choose from two different powertrain versions. The long-range variant with a battery capacity of 64 kWh allows you to drive purely electric up to 470 km on a single charge. The electric motor with a maximum output of 150 kW allows you to accelerate up to 100 in only 7.6 seconds. Both powertrain versions deliver an immediate torque of 395 Nm for a really fun-to-drive experience and the full power available from standstill. The charging port is conveniently located in the vehicle's front. If connected to a 100 kW fast charging station, the battery of the KONA Electric can be recharged up to 80% in only 54 minutes. The electric version clearly carries the design DNA of the regular KONA. The characteristic design element of the front are the twin-type headlamps available with full LED technology. Unique to the KONA Electric is a closed grille, which gives the front a modern and clean appearance. The KONA Electric comes with dedicated 17-inch alloy wheels that have been optimized for aerodynamics, combining efficiency and style. Furthermore, the customer can choose from 7 exterior colors that can be combined with 3 contrasting roof colors, so the customer has a chance to individualize the car and tailor the looks to the individual style. Next to me you see the KONA Electric with a ceramic blue body color and the exterior mirrors and the roof painted in chalk white, a contrast color which is exclusively available for the electric version. Talking about active safety technology, the KONA Electric offers all the advanced features as known from the KONA. On top, the driver can select the intelligent speed limit warning system or also order the new lane following assist, which helps the driver to keep the vehicle in the center of the lane. Also new to the KONA Electric is a radar-based smart cruise control system with stop and go. The KONA Electric has a dedicated center console which incorporates the button-type shift-by-wire module that enables an intuitive operation of the electric drivetrain. The new 7-inch digital cluster informs the driver about the status of the EV system, showing the battery state of charge and the energy flow between the different drivetrain components. The combiner-type head-up display projects all the relevant driving information directly into the driver's line of sight. This model is equipped with an 8-inch navigation system. It features Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, and it comes with a Crowd Premium sound system. Through the touchscreen, the driver can easily access the EV-specific functionalities, like for example the charging time reservation. All the comfort and convenient features that are on board for the regular KONA are also here for the KONA Electric version, like the front power seats with heating and ventilation function, as well as the heated steering wheel.